All right, in this video, we're gonna wash some tomatoes. We've got Nature Sweet Glories, new package. All right, so I'm going to put some in each bowl. Try to get it about even. I think that looks about even. Okay, so on the left side, I'm going to put tap water. And on the right, I'm going to put in some Kangen water, which is the 11.5 pH. Not for drinking, but this is for cleaning vegetables, cleaning all kinds of other things. Degreaser. Okay, so a lot of produce, when we wash it in our sink water, we are not actually getting it as clean as we think. And that is because the pesticides are oil-based and regular water is not cutting the oil. But the 11.5 Kangen water does cut that. So we're gonna let those stir for a minute. Let me get a plate to put those on, a couple plates. Okay. All right, so go ahead and take those out of there. Okay, now, can you guys see that? Look at the difference. Let me go down here. That'll make it easier to see.